In this video, I'm gonna fix this $30 Apple Lightning cable. I choose the easiest way, heat strings. For the heat strings, I need some hot air. I had the heat guns. If you don't have this, you can use a hair dryer that will work too. And we need some type of tape. Electrical tape works the best. But I mean, any type of tape works. There are so many ways to fix the cable like this. You can use some glue like this. I think this brand from Subaru, and also another brand too, because Apple Lightning cable is known easy to break, so there is so many products to fix that on the market. First, I plug in the heat guns. First, I use some tape to tape around the cable. Try to tape it nice and clean. Something like that works. Just tape it as tight as possible. Then we can apply the heat strings. They're actually a perfect size for the Lightning cable. You can get this $1 or $2 from Amazon or eBay. Yeah, just put it on. I mean, it's best to cover the hard top. Just use the hot gun to apply some heat. And I think that's it. Very easy and peasy. Work like a charm. So I hope this video is helpful. If you have a cable that's breaking, don't wait, just fixing immediately. It's very easy and simple. Don't spend another $30 to get a cable like this. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.